Found an AAP file in your music collection and not sure which player handles it? This is a specialized playlist format from the Apollo Audio Player application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these advanced playlist files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest AAP cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. AAP files are advanced playlist files created by the Apollo Audio Player, a music playback application designed for organizing and playing audio collections. They contain ordered lists of audio file references along with playback metadata, custom track ordering, and playlist configuration options. Apollo AAP files use a structured text or binary format, storing audio file paths, track, metadata, custom, playback, orders, and playlist-specific settings. The format extends basic playlist functionality with advanced features like nested playlists, smart filtering, and custom track properties for sophisticated music library management. The anticipated software for loading AAP is Apollo, created by ApolloDB. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows cannot interpret symbolic or nested configuration structures fully, so careful editing is necessary. Your most critical first action is the file association test. Right-click the AAP file and choose Open With. If Apollo is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the right software. If the AAP file won't budge, stay calm. We're going to solve this with a universal tool. But first, what are the technical factors causing this AAP error to appear? First, opening in Apollo Player. Download and install the Apollo Audio Player from archived software repositories or the original developer site. Use File, then Open Playlist to load the AAP file, which restores the complete track list with all configured metadata and playback settings. Next, converting to M3U. Within Apollo, use File, then Export. Playlist to convert AAP files to standard M3U or PLS playlist formats. These universal formats work with virtually any audio player, including Winamp, VLC, Foobar 1000, and modern music applications for broad compatibility. Finally, manual inspection. Open the AAP file in a text editor such as Notepad++ to inspect the file structure and extract audio file paths manually. Copy the track references into a new playlist file format compatible with your preferred audio player for continued use of the music collection. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagic.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.